Yeah. Let's go. Come on. Woo! Everybody get your hands up. We got the B-I-C-T-O-R-Y. Ladies.
Yes, thank you. Get out.
Get me out, please.
Okay, I'm done. You're done? Dramatic.
Good try, good try.
Y'all ready?
Anybody else?
Can I go in the pedal boat? That's safer. I'm not doing this.
You're gonna put it online. No bueno.
Felicia, you are ratchet. I can't with you. Okay. What's your name? Vanessa. Vanessa, you're going.
Hey, that was actually pretty fun.
Are you guys done?
How was it, guys?
Thank you. It was fun. I had to direct the upset. Yeah.
Yeah, I feel a little safer.
Let's go free. Let's go free.
No, go in. Oh, you want me to be in the front?
She knows what she's doing.
So what I just sit there?
Remember to relax.
What side to do?
She'll let you know as you go.
God, Jesus, hallelujah.
Remember?
Don't panic.
Panic, you guys.
It's your party. You can't.
I don't want to go far, okay? But I don't want to wait. I don't want to go that way. There's a box over there. Just stop me. Do I stay on this song?
I'll send it.
Since you're actually in the first one, I maybe headed all the way over to the side, all the way over to paddle. Unless you can crawl over. Yeah, it's up to you guys. Whatever you want to do. You want to paddle? You guys? Yeah, you can switch if you guys want. As long as it's not too hard for you guys to get out.
Where am I? Let's go right here.
I'm like an old lady. I know, that's why I feel sometimes too. It's okay.
You people?
Yeah, I can put you in it too. Does that work? Okay, let me get you guys on help.
Any rules you need to know?
Yeah, I'll tell you.
Yo, I wasn't
stay
ready.
for a second.
No way you can fall.
I'm sorry. No, you won't.
I love Jess, yo. She always asks. Liberty.
Hold on. Sorry, girl.
Sorry.
No, it's not your fault. This is just stuck, and I don't want the side to get stuck. Okay, I know it's gross. I'm sorry. Okay, you guys can go out that way. There you go.
Is it a two-person one?
The two-person's down here.
Now it's time to celebrate all Banner's ways. Because the devil is defeated and God be praised. Every situation I face, I win. Yeah. And everything works for my good in the end. Ladies, say
come with me, huh? Hey, I can wipe my head with my stick.
Lord have mercy. No seatbelt. If you never like that, the blue one. There's no seatbelt for the other one. Listen, you see how sweaty I am? You're taking a picture.
Y'all ready? Alright, back up.
Okay.
Hello.
Don't be sweaty.
Back up.
Sorry.
But it's all, don't kill me.
I was looking at that guy here. It's like, oh my gosh, you guys are so cute. I love you. All right, switch the side. Switch side. Switch side.
Get pictures off.
Turn around. Turn around.
I'm ready.
Oh, she's got it good. She's gonna be a pro here soon.
I'm gisting OSL when we walk.
Alright, that's good. Stop out on.
Maybe not a pro. Canoe accident. I'm gonna be a part of that limited. Show me this piece.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Because you left us. They left us.
Alright. Please, relax.
Right.
Start stroking your hands.
He might not lose that paddle. Oh, Sam, I'll push one. The tree? I don't know how to paddle.
Ladies, have fun.
Thank you.
Alright. What were you after, Royal?
Yeah, but we need 2 singles and 2 doubles.
Because the devil is defeated and God be praised. Hallelujah. Every situation I face, I win. And everything works for my good in the end. Listen, somebody who's listening. Right now you think you're losing. Listen, you feel like you can't win. Why? Greater is he. Woo! Don't doubt, 'cause whatever.
Or do they play music? What TV does this go on? Why would you say that? Ruben, does this go on the internet?
Depends on what he wants to do. Stop on that. Okay, right.
Ew, get your feet away from me.
Water aerobics. I'm the 6, I'm the 7, I'm the 8. And go!
Jacob, that's what's up. Hit him with the hair.
You cannot lie. It's a Canadian snack.
Americans don't have that. You know why? Because these are probably 100 calories. Americans have 1,000 calories. You guys are small, like our large. When you go to McDonald's, you're small.